From the dining table to the boardroom, from playgrounds to life's toughest terrains, the strongest units aren't built of individuals. They're woven from relationships, a family, where daily routines are symphonies of silent teamwork. Each member instinctively plays their part, making a house a home. In the world of commerce, business partners lean on trust built over years. Together, they navigate challenges, turning dreams into legacies. And then, there are friends. Bonds forged not by blood, but by shared memories and dreams. They stand by each other, making the word team an understatement. Cherish shared goals. Whether it's a family dinner, a business project, or a friend's dream, rally around shared objectives. Lean and let lean, trust and delegate. Sometimes leaning on someone else's strength makes the whole stronger. Celebrate together. Every success, no matter how small, is a collective achievement. From the bonds we're born into to those we choose, life constantly reminds us, in the dance of dreams and challenges, there is no I in team.